On this week's episode of Sushi Village, it's customer versus servers. Thought you were out for a good time? Not when you're seated in this bitches section.
So you guys ready to order or what?
This is Sushi. Everybody just sit down. Open up your menu and don't make a sound. I'm so tired and hungover that I don't want to deal. So come on and hurry up and order a meal. My name is Nikki and I've been here for a while. This ain't personal, but now I'm about to take your order and go through it. You know what? No substitutions. The chefs won't do it.
Watch what happens when one local is made to wait over a minute.
We're on the list under Jay?
Okay, it'll just be a few minutes. Just wait in the line.
Okay.
Thank you.
It's been so long since we first got here and put our names on that list. You're way too long for a local. And I just wanna eat some sushi and give me a jug of sake marg. And I hope they make it boozy. I'll take a Dumbo, not a large. And it's been so long, but we'll keep on waiting.
Watch the breakout performance when the servers get gypped on their tip.
I can't believe Table 6 didn't tip me.
What? They didn't tip you?
I know, right? I opened my billfold and I was petrified. I expected 20% and now I'm mortified. I don't know what I did wrong. The US dollar is so strong. My service is the very best. I should have got the rest.
You'll see how the servers handle the most annoying question of the night.
So, what's your favorite?
We have edamame, mama salad, Japanese calamari, agadashi tofu.
Spider roll, Nicole roll, chicken karagi. Ahi poke, beef nigiri, salmon, sashimi.
Chicken yakitori, smash roll, and gomai. Noodle soup, beef or rice. Try it all. It's all quite nice.
And for what is sure to be the saddest moment in television history, we see a desperate local cougar fall for the Jax Teller Tinder trick.
I met him on the Tinder site. He's gonna meet me here tonight. I think I'm looking quite alright. Damn, my ass is looking tight.
Be sure to tune in next week for the conclusion of Jay's Sake Margarita binge.
Get the heck out of here. That's right. You hear what we're saying.
Finish off that beer.
So long. Arrivederci. Au revoir. Get the heck out. Ciao. Good night. Bye bye. So long. Farewell. Get the heck out. See you later, alligator.
In a while, crocodile. Say goodnight.